So are you constipated? That's the word nobody wants to hear. If you suffer from constipation, you need to watch the end of this video. Hi, I'm Dr. Cooper Dockery. I'm board certified in internal medicine. I love to practice holistic medicine so that my patient can be well for a long time. So in this video today, I'm going to show you a very simple remedy that I use for every morning for difficulty at the restroom, constipation. It's very simple. All you have to do is to get a glass of orange juice. Of course, this is packed with vitamins, vitamin C, and all the nutrients that are important for your overall health. To the half a cup of orange juice, you're going to add just slightly warm water. Not hot, but warm. All right? Just remember, you don't want to break your glass. And neither do you want to denature your vitamins and your minerals that you have in this juice. You're going to drink the entire warm juice here every single morning. And believe me, it works. And don't forget to add flaxseed to your meals every single day. You need the fiber. In the flaxseed, you have lots of fiber and good fats. So add this to your meal every day and you will get relief from the constipation. If you like this video, follow me for more.